Hello, welcome to the Unity Fastest tutorials. Today we are doing a shooting tutorial. So I have to create a shooting spot. In your project this could be a gun or anything that you can shoot bullets from. Uh, and I also have to create a bullet prefab. It will be smaller than the shooting spot. It will be yellow and have rigid body 2D with gravity scale set to 0. So we are done with the prefabs, and now let me create our shooting script. So we'll need two variables: game object, bullet object, and also bullet force. I can get rid of the start method, and in the update we have to check if the mouse is clicked or any other key if you want, but I will go with the mouse. Input that get key down, kcode dot mouse 0, and whenever it is clicked we have to make a variable to check where the cursor is. So we have to make a vector, and we will from the input that mouse position subtract camera that main that word to screen point transform that position, and we have our vector from that transform that position to the mouse cursor. And now we have to instantiate the bullet object. So game object bullet equals instantiate bullet object transform that position and quaternion that identity, and we have to move the bullet to the cursor. So bullet that get component rigid body 2D that velocity equals to dir multiplied by bullet force. Dir that normalized. I would just forget it. And now let's drag our shooting script to the shooting spot. Drag the bullet prefab to the bullet object and set the bullet force to something like 5. And let's see if it works. Yeah, it works perfectly. So that's it. Bye.